Gotcha. Finally, they're starting to bite. This one actually committed to it. Got him with both trebles. This little Lucky Craft square bill. Not a big one, but decent. I'll take that. Get the skunk out of the boat. There we go. There we go. Another one on. It feels like it's getting smaller as it's getting closer, but we'll see. Oh, running a little bit. It's just not too big, but decent. There are 20s in this lake, but they're few and far between. Say 15 to 17 is probably the most common size. So there's number 2. Little buck bass, got a decent belly on him. Alright, let's try for number 3. Let's see if we can pluck another one over here. Oh, there's another one. Prefrontal bass. This one feels pretty good. Looks pretty good. Oh, and he come off. Of course. They always look bigger right before they come off. Now, this will be the last warm day we have for about a week here in Michigan. Was 61 earlier and sunny. Now it's getting ready to have some high winds and cool off tonight. So it's going to stir stuff up, kind of shut the fish down. I was hoping to get out here for a couple hours before the rain starts. But 3 in the boat, 1 big one missed. It's not too bad. Not for middle of April in Michigan. Last year, I think March 31st was the first day I got out here. So being able to fish this early, this often is pretty good. Just a few more weeks and be able to get on the river, get some walleye and some smallmouth. There's another one. Hopefully he stays on. Fishing around this flat just off the deeper water. Oh, it's a little guy. Won't bother with the net for this one. He's just a baby. The depth of water I'm in, this bait doesn't quite make it down deep enough, but maybe with some luck I'll be able to bring him up. There's another one. This one feels fairly solid. Let's see what we got. Let's bring him around. Yeah, there we go. This one's not bad. Wasn't hooked all that well, but another bass. There we go. There we go. Looks like they're hanging down at the end of this cove. There you go, little buck bass. There you go, fella. Oh, still there. Came back for it. Felt like a snag at first, then a fish, then nothing, then a fish. Look at that, come right off. Little buck bass. There we go. Another one. Oh, wow. That was a good hit. Just took the pole out of my hand. Whatever it is, it's solid. And it's running. Oh, pike. Barrel roll. Dumbass. Trying to get you untangled. Maybe want to get tangled more. Go. There you go, buddy. There we go. Another little buck bass. Thank you, little fella. Really? There's my catch. Oh, there we go. This doesn't feel like a bass. Nope, not a bass. You guys seeing this? It's dragged me to shore and now it's taking me back out deep. This has got to be a carp. Come on, baby. Come on. Yep, that's a carp. Jeez, oh Pete's. There we go. Big old carp. All right, buddy. Ugh. Go, just barely hooked. That comes right out. There we go. Oh, fire. There we go. Oh, come on. Pike. There we go. Oh, not again.